Have you ever received those annoying spam calls at the worst possible moment? Whether it's a telemarketer or someone you just don't want to hear from, blocking a number on your iPhone is easier than you think. Today, I'll show you step by step how to block numbers on your iPhone and finally get some peace and quiet. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Phone app. Now, tap on Recents at the bottom of the screen to see your call history. Find the number you want to block and tap on the little I icon next to it. This will open the contact details page. Scroll down, and at the bottom, you'll see the Block This Caller option. Tap on it. Then confirm by selecting Block Contact. And that's it. This number is now blocked, meaning they won't be able to call, text, or FaceTime you anymore. But what if you want to block a number that's already saved in your contacts? No worries. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Apps. Now find Phone and tap on it. Then select Blocked Contacts. Here, you can tap Add New and choose any contact from your list to block them instantly. This method is perfect if you want to block someone without waiting for them to call you first. If you ever change your mind and want to unblock a number, it's just as easy. Go back to Blocked Contacts in Settings. Swipe left on the number you want to remove and tap Unblock. Just like that, they're back in your life, but hopefully for a good reason. For even more control, iOS also has a built-in Silence Unknown Callers feature. To enable this, go to Settings, tap on Phone, and then turn on Silence Unknown Callers. This means any number not in your contacts will go straight to voicemail without ringing your phone. This is a lifesaver if you're constantly getting spam calls. But what if you already know a number and want to block it before they even have a chance to call you? You can do that too. First, open the Phone or Contacts app and tap the plus button in the top right corner to add a new contact. If you tap on the Phone app, write the number and then tap the plus button. Enter the name and phone number, then tap Done. Now, go to the list of contacts and search for the name of the one you added. Tap on that contact. At the bottom, you'll see the Block This Caller option. Tap on it, then confirm by selecting Block Contact. And that's it. And there you have it. Whether you need to block one number or multiple contacts or silence unknown callers entirely, your iPhone gives you all the tools to do it effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your spam-free iPhone experience.